I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
And this is just strapping the poor scully. Whole nose has been taken off, stripped down completely. Radiator has been taken out. What we're doing now is we just want to get the timing set, see if the engine does turn. The engine, the head is turning. Yeah, and the bottom sub-assembly is turning. So they're not jammed, so hopefully it's not seized up.
You got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm
stripping it down to see what the problem was along the road. Hopefully it's not a complete engine overall.
It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
So this is only half the problem now. Great man. So all those pieces before we were flying around in the cam, that's what made all those marks.
Yeah. What you can do is you take this cam to crate and that pulley to crate and then you machine it out and make a thing that fits between them.
Yeah, but
key this way and key the other way.
Yeah, because the thing is, yeah, that pulley has to have a key in it.
I feel nauseous, believe me.
Yeah, it's got a key way, but no fucking key.
Easy.
Yeah.
Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me.
Then you have to end up taking this complete engine out, doing the begin bearings, to replace pistons, to check if there's any damage on the bottom end. Yeah, it turned out to be a little bit of a bigger job than we thought, but this is the situation where we are now. We're taking the engine out.
What's the sound of this?
I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Let me hold this on. The damaged piston, damaged bearings, piston, cousin pin sleeve, clutch pressure plate still looks good condition. She's at 4 dot. Got the new piston in, number 1. The other 4 pistons are still in good condition. Tomorrow we'll assemble the rest of the motor and it's time to go back, put the motor back into the van. Hope we can run across no other problems. Bottom of the motor, the sump has been replaced. The bad lighting here, reconditioned head is complete. Replacing crank seals and oil pump, new crank seal, head set, all the gaskets, Hopefully by Wednesday your motor will be back, Scully. Head on, timing done.
Don't worry about it, I'll plug it. You need to get it, see who's running, that's the fucking thing. What is it?
This timing belt, this timing on this motor is so difficult. But eventually we had to take out the gearbox. We're at this stage now, we took out the gearbox. And we are got the gearbox on the floor. We're going to mount the gearbox to the motor. Then we're going to put the motor and the gearbox as a unit back in, just in order to get this timing right.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto. Hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots if I miss on. Forget it, I'll take a fat loss.
But everything had to come to a halt.
I'm taking snapshots, learning how
That's
to
one of
fall
the
and get it. I'm
injection
getting back up, always
nozzles.
stand tall, I'm sweating, I never back up. I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm
have to
always
take all
learning.
the
You could call me
injectors out.
academic, I'm always working. Never been
Send them in for
apathetic. Bad
repairs,
energy is like a
testing
poison, needs
or
some
replacing.
antiseptic.
And that hopefully, it's not going to take a week or two to get you. But so far the timing, everything is in. So it's just all little finicky parts. Starter motor, we're putting in tomorrow. It's lying next to the, replace the exhaust manifold, all the water pipes, then we'll be putting it back in. The motor's in, and it's all the different trimmings, but it was a mission. Get this motor, it's a hell of a job. It's in, and so get all this electrical wiring and all that sorted out, and then, but I'll be carrying on with that at a later stage. I haven't got the time now. At least the motor's in, and hopefully everything will start. So all the pipes are on this side, eh? Things are in. Moeilijke plek om in te komen.
But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop up. Fuck you,
It's alive! It's alive! And I can say one thing, thanks to Eben, you did a good job. I can recommend him to anybody. I will leave his number on the screen. Took the motor apart and put it together in 2 days. And we had to take the gearbox out and put it together. He did what I asked him to do. Paid him and he still stayed further on to help me put the engine back, get it started. So I can give a big shout out to Eben. If anybody is in his London area, Eastern Cape, I recommend him highly. He's a mobile mechanic. No job is too big or too small for it, and he's very reasonable with his pricing, and you get quality work. So thanks a lot, Eben. Thanks for a good job.
Kijk as uitgesort word, die ding loop. En hy klink fucking mooi.
Net die pype op die weg wat ons afgetrek het, is fokke weet ons nie waar.
Sukkel en die olieseel wat jy seer gemaak het. Dis al.
Olie fokke.
Verder loop hy mooi.